Alright, g'day. This is a R69s Australian delivered ex-police bike. It's around 1963 model. Just finished the restoration. Got caught in the floods earlier this year, and I bought it and restored it for a mate who's coming to have a look at it for the very first time this afternoon. It's pretty well done. Just waiting on a few bits and pieces, waiting for the horn to come back. It's got an extra large tank, as you can see, but other than that it is pretty well complete and ready to go. So let's just kick it over and just see where we go.